Hello everyone, today I'm making a simple, fresh and delicious okra soup with croaker fish. It's light, it's flavorful and perfect when you want something healthy, light but also filling. Let's get started. I'm starting with my cleaned croaker fish. I'll season it lightly with salt, seasoning cubes, garlic and ginger, some ground pepper and a bit of onions, and then I'm going to add a little water, cover the pot and allow it to steam for about 8 to 10 minutes. This gives you that rich natural stock and keeps the fish firm. And to keep the fish from breaking apart in your pot of soup, you can also put it in the oven for a few minutes just to firm it up some more, so that when you put it in the pot it's going to stay. So while the fish is cooking, go ahead and slice your okra. So I'm going to slice most of it, and then a little bit I'm just going to grate it roughly. It helps the soup to draw, but if you don't want that part, you can just go right ahead and skip it. So when you're done slicing your okra, just go ahead and slice your vegetables. I'm using ugu leaves here. You can use ugu leaves, you can use spinach, and you can use kale for this recipe. It doesn't really matter. Now back to our fish. It has cooked, so I'm going to bring it out and then I'm going to put it in the oven for a few minutes just to help it firm up some more, because the way it is now, if I put it in that soup and turn it, it's just going to break apart. That's one thing about croaker fish, is quite soft and easy to break. Now into the fish stock, I'm going to add my blended pepper mix. That's the tatachi, bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers and some onions that I blended together. Then I'm going to give that a stir, and then I'm going to let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes to remove the raw taste from it. Next, I went in with my prawns or shrimps. You can use whichever one you have. I added my prawns in, then I went in with some crayfish. I left some over so I can put it at the end of the soup to bring it together. Then some seasoning cubes, and now you're going to add small palm oil, just enough for flavor, and then you're gonna give that a stir, cover it and let it boil. After about 5 minutes, it's time to add your grated or your blended okra. You add it in, you stir gently so you don't break the draw. Stir it gently, then after a few minutes, you're going to go in with your sliced okra. Now when you add it in, you're also going to try as much as you can to stir gently. Okra cooks very fast, so about 3 to 5 minutes is enough. We want it fresh, green and very nutritious, okay? Now this is it. After 5 minutes, I'm going to go in with the vegetables. Then you're gonna fold that in and let it cook for 2 minutes. Most of these vegetables is just right and good to cook it for a few minutes so that it can retain its nutritional values, because sometimes when you cook it too much, some of the nutrients in it are just gone. So to have that nutritional value, try as much as you can not to cook it too much. This is it after 2 minutes. Now we're going to return the croaker fish carefully so that it doesn't scatter, and then we're going to give it a little stir and allow it to cook together with the soup so that the taste and the flavors can go inside it. And then after 2 minutes, our soup was ready. This soup is light, it's colorful, and it's very, very flavorful. And you can have this with any swallow of choice, but I prefer having it with wheat swallow. So if you have oats, you can also have it with it. It goes very well. But like I say, any swallow of choice will do. So guys, if you love this easy Nigerian recipes, please like this video and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Bye.